If every time you eat a papaya you throw the seeds straight in the trash, you need to watch this video all the way to the end, because you are throwing away one of the most powerful natural remedies that exists. And I am not exaggerating when I say powerful. I am talking about a remedy that can eliminate intestinal parasites you did not even know you had, clean your liver as if it were brand new, improve your digestion in an incredible way, and even help you lose weight naturally. All of this from something you have been tossing in the garbage. Papaya seeds contain an enzyme called papain and a unique compound called carbapenemine, which according to scientific studies have anti-parasitic, antibacterial, and hepatoprotective properties so powerful that they would surprise many doctors. In fact, in several countries across Africa and Asia, papaya seeds have been used for centuries as a natural antiparasitic remedy. And modern science is now confirming what grandmothers have always known. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly what papaya seeds are good for, which diseases they fight according to science, how to prepare the tea step by step, and the contraindications you absolutely must know. But before we get started, if this is your first time watching my channel, I am Daniel Foster, a health professional. And here you will find scientifically proven natural remedies that actually work. So hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs to cleanse their body naturally, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a remedy. And now, let us get into papaya seeds. First, let us talk about what makes these seeds so special. Component number 1, papain. Papaya seeds contain an enzyme called papain. This is the same enzyme found in the flesh of the papaya, but in the seeds it is far more concentrated. What does papain do? It breaks down proteins. That is why it is used to tenderize meat. But inside your body, this enzyme helps break down the proteins of intestinal parasites, harmful bacteria, and accumulated toxins. Think of it as an ultra-powerful natural cleanser for your entire digestive system. Component number 2, carbapenemine. This is the star compound of papaya seeds. Carbapenemine is an alkaloid with proven antiparasitic properties. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that carbapenemine can eliminate up to 71% of intestinal parasites in just 7 days. 71% in 1 week, with something natural that you were throwing in the trash. Component number 3, glucosinolates. The seeds also contain glucosinolates, which are sulfur-based compounds with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help eliminate harmful bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella, reduce intestinal inflammation, and protect liver cells from damage. Component number 4, flavonoids and fatty acids. The seeds contain antioxidant flavonoids that protect your liver from damage caused by toxins, alcohol, medications, and processed foods. And the omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids they contain help reduce systemic inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Component number 5, fiber. Every tablespoon of seeds contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. What does that mean for you? Improved intestinal transit, nourishment for the good bacteria in your gut, help eliminating toxins from the body, and a reduction in cholesterol levels. So to summarize, you have papain that destroys the proteins of parasites, carbapenemine that eliminates them directly, glucosinolates that kill harmful bacteria, flavonoids that protect your liver, and fiber that cleanses your entire system. It is a complete health arsenal packed inside something the majority of people throw straight in the garbage. And now comes the best part, the 8 proven benefits. Benefit number 1, eliminates intestinal parasites. This is the most powerful benefit, and the one that surprises people the most. Intestinal parasites are far more common than you think. The World Health Organization estimates that more than 25% of the world's population has some type of intestinal parasite. Yes, 1 in 4 people. And often you do not even know it, because the symptoms can be subtle: bloating, gas, unexplained fatigue, skin problems, anal itching, and changes in appetite. Papaya seeds contain carbapenemine and papain that work together as a natural antiparasitic. A study from the University of Nairobi in Kenya took 60 children who had intestinal parasites. One group received ground papaya seeds mixed with honey for 7 days. The other group received a placebo. The result? 61.4% of the group that took the papaya seeds completely eliminated their parasites. The placebo group, 0%. Another study in Nigeria showed similar results in adults. The seeds destroy the membrane of parasites, paralyze their nervous system, and facilitate their natural elimination through the stool. Benefit number 2. Cleanses and protects the liver. Your liver is like the filter of your body. It processes everything you eat, drink, and breathe. And over time, it accumulates toxins. Papaya seeds have scientifically demonstrated hepatoprotective properties. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that papaya seeds can reverse liver damage caused by toxins in as little as 30 days. The flavonoids and antioxidants in the seeds regenerate damaged liver cells, improve detoxification function, reduce elevated liver enzymes ALT and AST, and protect against early-stage cirrhosis. If you have consumed a lot of alcohol, taken powerful medications, or simply eaten a lot of processed food over the years, your liver will thank you for this. Benefit number 3, improves digestion and eliminates bloating. Do you feel bloated after meals? Constant gas and slow digestion? The papain in the seeds helps break down proteins that your stomach struggles to process on its own. This means less abdominal bloating, less gas, faster and more efficient digestion, and better nutrient absorption. On top of that, the fiber in the seeds feeds the good bacteria in your gut, improving your overall microbiome health. Benefit number 4, eliminates harmful bacteria. Papaya seeds have powerful antibacterial properties against E. coli, responsible for diarrhea and urinary tract infections, Salmonella, which causes food poisoning, Staphylococcus aureus, which causes skin and wound infections, and Helicobacter pylori, the bacteria behind gastric ulcers. A study from the University of Karachi found that papaya seed extract inhibited the growth of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. This is huge because more and more bacteria are becoming resistant to conventional medications. Benefit number 5, helps with natural weight loss. Papaya seeds can be your secret ally for losing weight. How? First, they prevent fat absorption. The compounds in the seeds interfere with how the intestines absorb dietary fats. Second, they speed up metabolism. Papain improves the digestion and metabolism of proteins. Third, they reduce inflammation, and chronic inflammation is directly linked to weight gain. Fourth, they control appetite. The fiber content keeps you feeling full for longer. This is not a magic pill, but when you combine papaya seeds with a healthy diet, the results can be remarkable. Benefit number 6, improves blood circulation. Papaya seeds contain a compound called carpain that reduces elevated blood pressure, improves blood flow, strengthens the walls of the blood vessels, and reduces the risk of blood clots. Several studies have shown that regular consumption can help people with mild to moderate hypertension manage their condition more effectively. Benefit number 7, reduces chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many diseases: arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. The anti-inflammatory compounds in papaya seeds reduce joint pain, improve mobility, lower inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein, and protect against degenerative diseases. Benefit number 8, regulates menstruation. For women, papaya seeds can help regulate irregular menstrual cycles, reduce menstrual cramps, and relieve symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. Some traditional studies even suggest they may help with fertility issues, though this area still requires more scientific research. Those are the 8 main benefits. And now the million-dollar question: how do you prepare them? All right, here is the practical part. I am going to teach you 3 different ways to use papaya seeds: as a tea, ground into powder, and whole. You choose whichever method works best for you. Method number 1, papaya seed tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of fresh papaya seeds and 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Optional, honey or lemon juice to improve the taste. Step 1. Remove the seeds from a ripe papaya and rinse them well under clean water. Step 2. Lightly crush the seeds using a mortar and pestle or the back of a spoon. You do not need to grind them into a powder, just crack them slightly so they can release their active compounds. Step 3. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Step 4, add the crushed seeds to the boiling water. Step 5, let everything boil on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 6, turn off the heat and let it sit for an additional 5 minutes. Step 7, strain the tea and discard the seeds. If the taste is too bitter, and trust me it will be, add a teaspoon of honey or a few drops of lemon juice. Method number 2, ground papaya seeds, if you prefer something more direct. Step 1, dry the papaya seeds in the sun for 2 to 3 days or in the oven at a low temperature of 50 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 hours. Step 2, grind them in a coffee grinder or a food processor until you get a fine powder. Step 3, take 1/2 teaspoon of the powder mixed with honey, fruit juice, or sprinkled over a salad. Method number 3, whole seeds. This is the most potent method, but also the most bitter. Chew 5 to 7 fresh seeds on an empty stomach. Yes, directly. They have a very bitter, almost peppery taste, but this is the most effective way to eliminate parasites. How and when should you take them? For parasite cleansing, take the tea on an empty stomach every day for 7 consecutive days. Rest for 7 days. Then repeat the cycle if necessary. For liver cleansing, take the tea on an empty stomach once per day for 30 days. For improving digestion, take the tea 30 minutes before heavy meals, 1 to 2 times per day. For weight loss, take 1/2 teaspoon of the powder on an empty stomach for 30 days, combined with a healthy and balanced diet. Important, do not exceed the recommended dose. More is not better. These seeds are powerful, and in excess they can cause unwanted side effects. And speaking of side effects, you need to know the contraindications. All right, this is the critical part that you need to listen to very carefully. Papaya seeds are powerful, and that is precisely why they are not suitable for everyone. Contraindication number 1, pregnancy. If you are pregnant or actively trying to become pregnant, do not take papaya seeds under any circumstances. The seeds contain compounds that can induce uterine contractions and in some cases cause a miscarriage. In fact, in certain countries, they are traditionally used as a natural contraceptive. So if you are trying to conceive or are already pregnant, stay away from papaya seeds completely. Contraindication number 2, breastfeeding. If you are breastfeeding, this remedy is also not recommended. The active compounds can pass into breast milk, and there are not enough studies on their effects on babies. It is simply not worth the risk. Contraindication number 3, blood-thinning medications. If you are taking warfarin, aspirin, or any medication that thins the blood, consult your doctor before taking papaya seeds. The seeds have a natural blood-thinning effect and can amplify the action of these medications, increasing the risk of excessive bleeding. Contraindication number 4, upcoming surgeries. For the same reason just mentioned, if you have a scheduled surgery, stop taking papaya seeds at least 2 weeks beforehand. The risk of excessive bleeding during the procedure is real and should not be ignored. Contraindication number 5, latex allergy. If you are allergic to latex, you are very likely also allergic to papaya. This is known as latex fruit syndrome. The proteins are structurally similar. Allergy symptoms to watch for include itching in the mouth, swelling of the lips, hives, and difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms after consuming papaya seeds, stop immediately and seek medical attention. Contraindication number 6, young children. Do not give papaya seeds to children under 5 years of age. Their digestive systems are very delicate, and the potency of the seeds can cause serious gastric distress. For children between 6 and 12 years of age, consult their pediatrician first, and if approved, use only half the adult dose. Possible side effects. Even if you have none of the contraindications listed above, some mild side effects may occur. Gastric discomfort, diarrhea, especially during the first few days, mild nausea, and a persistent bitter taste in the mouth. These effects are generally temporary and tend to disappear after the first few days of use. And as I always say, this natural remedy does not replace professional medical treatment. If you have a severe parasitic infection, serious liver problems, or any other significant medical condition, please see your doctor. Papaya seeds are a powerful complement to your health routine, but they are not a substitute for professional medical care when you truly need it. All right, now that you know everything there is to know about papaya seeds, I have a challenge for you. the 7-day challenge. If you decide to try this remedy, I challenge you to do it for 7 consecutive days on an empty stomach. And here is the important part. Come back to this video in 7 days and comment exactly what changes you noticed. Did your digestion improve? Do you feel less bloated? Did you notice anything unusual in the bathroom? Yes, things may come out. You know what I mean. Write, "I am starting today," in the comments if you are accepting the challenge. And for those of you who have already tried this before, share your experience with everyone else. Did it work for you? What benefits did you notice? Your experience can be exactly what someone else needs to make their decision. If you enjoyed this video, you absolutely need to watch the avocado seed tea video. That one is exploding right now because people are discovering incredible benefits. The pineapple peel tea for reducing bloating, that one is also making a lot of noise. And the most recent one, the banana peel tea for better sleep. Perfect if you suffer from insomnia. I will leave all the links in the description below. And if you want to take your health to the next level and receive exclusive content that I do not publish on YouTube, join the membership. As a member, you get exclusive videos before anyone else, priority responses to all of your questions, live discussions reserved only for members, and your name mentioned in the videos. All of this for only €3.99 per month, which is less than the price of a cup of coffee. Click the join button right below this video. If this video helped you, help me in return. Hit the like button so YouTube recommends this to more people. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next remedies. Comment, "I am starting today," if you are going to take on the 7-day challenge. And share this video with someone who needs to cleanse their body naturally. Remember, nature has powerful remedies. You just need to know how to use them correctly. See you in the next video.